Let's go. Okay. Hello, welcome to our computer graphics ray tracing project. We are group 31. Nice. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about the hard things that we encountered. The whole implementation was kind of hard. The most annoying part was debugging, as you can see in the code. We had to print out so many stuff, and yeah, it was debugging was hard, I would say. And the one of the most hard things was that sometimes we had mistakes, of course, as you can see, but we didn't really know what was it because. So it was kind of driving us crazy. Why and like why is that and how to fix it. But we fixed most of it. Uh, so the as we are because we are talking hard times, I wanna like we had hard times and extra features too. For example, we tried to implement multi-core, and we had some existential questions like doesn't work, why, and stuff. After that, we learned why it doesn't work, but we couldn't really fix it. And it was about that too. We also tried to implement intersect sphere, but we didn't really know what to do afterwards. After implementing the intersecting sphere thing, which was the easy part, I guess. And yeah, we missed that feature too. But yeah. And about the extra features that we have, so we have the ability to control the speed of the camera. So like it's a small feature, but it's a good feature. We have extra features in debug ray, which I will talk about, but basically we have reflection and refraction rays, and the reflection ray shows the color of the intersection point, and we have the extra feature that distance of light affects the shininess. I mean, as in real life, if the light source is really far, it's like it acts like the light source is not there. We have like we ask the user how many levels of reflection they want, and we have like a nice loading bar that loads 100% and says how many seconds are remaining. It's not really it's not 100% accurate, but yeah, it's nice than nothing. It also says how much seconds it took. For example, in this case, 6 seconds. How many boxes we hit, how many rays we sent, and how many interceptions. Yeah, and we also have reflection and refraction on our rendering too, but as you can see, we commented them out because we didn't really know which material characteristic is it, but because it's like just a small thing to know, and like we couldn't really understand it, we still rendered some pictures, and we will show it. I will show it. And recursive ray tracing. Yeah, we implemented recursive ray tracing. So if we ask the level, and if the level is like 2, it like refracts and reflects about the lights 2 times and gets that point, like shades that point and gets that part of light. We implemented acceleration structure. Like this is a part of the code base. It's a simple acceleration structure that was explained in the PDF file that for the project. We couldn't we don't have the pictures of we can't render the acceleration boxes, but if we were to, it would be like this for a single cube. Yeah. For intersections, of course, we have intersections. The debug, as you can see, the debug ray can show the intersections, and at right you can see like the VR83 means that we are at the 83rd box, and the boxes 105 means that there are 105 boxes. So and if it were to hit the box, it prints out too. Like this is from debug, but just to show that we have acceleration structure again. Shading is implemented, and we will see further. Like the specular is there, the diffuse is there, the ambient is also there. And so shadows and reflections. So we have soft shadows, we have reflections, and as I said, we have refractions too. So at the most left, we can right now see that there's reflection for level 1 for recursive ray tracing, and the one underneath is level 2, so 2 levels of reflection, sorry. But this does for all the materials, so everything is reflecting right now. And at the middle part, we can see, like at the top, the cube is refracting, like you can see through it. It's like a see-through thing, and like the two cubes in the middle is level 1 of refraction, and the one underneath it is level 2. Level 2 looks a little bit complicated, but it also kind of makes sense, I believe. And at the most right, top corner at the most right, we can see reflection and refraction on. So at that picture, all of them is on, but it's only level 1, so it only looks for one. And at the most bottom right corner, we have no refraction and no reflection. And yeah. So for the debug ray shows the reflects a ray at the intersection points, and it also refracts a ray too. It is green. Refraction is only done for one level, but reflection is n times. How many times reflects, we can see it, and each reflection ray gets the color of the refraction point. So at the right picture, top corner, we can see that the reflection ray is white because it has a specular there. We can see like if it hits the orange purple box, it gets the purple refraction ray, and then if it hits the plain orange plane, it gets the orange reflection ray. So yeah, and these are some nice scenes from our ray tracer. And yeah, thank you for listening to me. That was it.